Hello friends, this is Rajiv Sharma. Today's topic has to be Prime Minister Narendra Modi's third address to nation. And here I am. Let me start in one sentence. Let me sum up his third address to the nation on coronavirus and the lockdown. Well, nothing great. No earth-shaking announcement. Only roadmap given about 20 lakh crore financial package, which will be subject to scrutiny, obviously, and decision further contours of lockdown 4 to be unveiled before May 18. This is the highlight. Well, I don't know. For that, you don't need an address to nation for over half an hour. Well, but he's the Prime Minister, he's supreme. He can do anything. Well, the nation expected him at this dire hour to say something concrete, something tangible. Yes, the nation should be thankful to him that today, at least, for the second consecutive time, he has not given any task to the Indians. Ghanti, Ghanta, candles and diyas and whatnot. At least the nation should be thankful. But what the nation wanted to know exactly from the supreme authority of India is how is it going to tackle the migrants crisis? How is he going to restart the economy? Financial package, all right. Even the broad contours have not been announced. Now, nothing of the sort has happened. Totally silent on migrant. The word migrant was not uttered by him at all. When he started, he meandered for half an hour. Out of this half an hour speech, good 2/3 of this, he meandered. Initially, I thought, is he addressing an election speech? Then I thought, is he doing a Mann Ki Baat program? No. Then I thought, oh, he's doing some theological, philosophical debate, talking about Vasundhaiva Kutum and talking about generalities for which we don't need the Prime Minister. We have a lot of sermon givers. Now, well, the Prime Minister Modi, as I keep saying, he is a very clever politician. He knows why he was giving the address to the nation. Well, he wants to be heard. He wants to make himself heard. He will grab any opportunity to be on top of your systems. He would like to conquer you mentally. That's what he has been doing for the last 6 years. And with great amount of success, let me tell you. There has been no mental conqueror of India or Indians as great as Narendra Modi ever since independent India. He has left Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi far behind. So he is conquering your brains. So he needs space, he needs time. That's why this half an hour ramblings to deliver just 2-point breaking news. One, a 20 lakh crore package, which is which translates into $260 billion financial package. $260 billion financial package. And second, he says that the lockdown will be different. But what it will be like will be announced before May 18th. So in effect, he has said the lockdown, he has meant that the lockdown will continue beyond May 17th. When the 54-day period of lockdown comes to an end. So, now let's talk about the financial package. The $260 billion financial package, he says, will be unveiled from tomorrow by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. From tomorrow for several days. So what it is, we don't know. We can't talk about it. Whether, and he says that this is 10% or nearly 10%. He says nearly 10% of India's GDP. Actually, he's rivaling US. Because the US financial package is worth 10% of its GDP. And don't forget that US is economy number one of the world. The US economy size is more than 7 times than India's in terms of GDP. Then, of course, the second thing, we will have to fact check how much of it is being recycled. Old schemes, old wine in new bottle. Old schemes being recycled. We'll have to fact check. And there will be a lot of fact checking done across the media. I'm sure of this. So we will cross the bridge when we come to it, but we will talk about it tomorrow. And second thing is about the lockdown. Lockdown, he says that it will be much different from lockdown 3, obviously. But the fact is that he himself referred to lockdown 4 indicates and is clear that the lockdown will continue. And that is what so many chief ministers have also wanted. Now, last point which I appreciate PM Modi for is that he was being criticized on social media. Why is he addressing the nation? Before the chief ministers, he has asked the chief ministers to give their ideas, suggestions by 15th of May. So why address the nation ahead of that deadline? So it is very clear that he will factor in the chief minister's suggestions about the lockdown and then announce probably on 17th, probably on 16th, I don't know. Then he will announce the broad contours of lockdown 4. Well, so much I have in my stable. We will definitely discuss this topic threadbare tomorrow. So folks, here I am saying goodbye to you. I hope you like this and put comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.